On June 1, 2025, Ukraine carried out its most ambitious and far-reaching operation of the war, Operation Spiderweb. In an unprecedented long-range drone strike, Ukrainian forces targeted 5 key Russian airbases, damaging or destroying over 40 military aircraft. Among the aircraft hit were two 95, two 22M3, and two 160 strategic bombers, as well as an A-50 airborne early warning aircraft. The estimated damage exceeds $7 billion, dealing a serious blow to Russia's long-range aviation capabilities. The operation, planned for more than a year and a half, involved secretly transporting explosive-filled FPV drones in wooden structures disguised as ordinary buildings. These structures were brought by trucks to the perimeters of Russian airfields and remotely activated. The strikes hit airbases in the Irkutsk, Murmansk, Ryazan, Ivanovo, and Amur regions, with the most distant target, Belaya airbase, located more than 300 kilometers from the front line. This marked Ukraine's longest-range strike since the beginning of the full-scale war. According to the Security Service of Ukraine, SBU, a total of 41 aircraft were destroyed or seriously damaged, including a significant portion of Russia's cruise missile carrier fleet. Russian sources confirmed the attacks, reporting fires and aircraft losses, while the Russian Ministry of Defense described the incident as a terrorist attack and claimed several participants had been detained. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky called the operation absolutely brilliant and emphasized that it was carried out solely by Ukrainian forces. He stated that the mission will be remembered in history books as a testament to the capabilities of Ukraine's special services. Military analysts have compared the scale of the attack to Pearl Harbor, underlining its strategic impact. With aircraft like the Tu-95 and Tu-22M3 long out of production, experts suggest that replacing these losses will be a major challenge for Russia. Operation Spiderweb marks a turning point in the war, showcasing Ukraine's ability to conduct deep, complex strikes inside Russian territory. It also highlights the growing role of drone warfare and the vulnerability of traditional military infrastructure in the modern battlefield.